Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the sto-n-sho front license plate quick release bracket. Now before I get into today's product review, if you guys like these videos, do me a huge favor and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you'll be sure to catch this as well as all our latest product reviews and of course plenty more. Now today specifically I'm taking a look at two brackets from sto-n-sho that are designed to work with either a Hawse style or a roller style Fairlead. They also offer a variety of different brackets designed to work with your factory front bumper found on your 07 and newer Jeep Wrangler JK or Jeep Wrangler JL, 20 and newer Jeep Gladiator JT, as well as some Grand Cherokees. So if you want to take a look at the complete line of available sto-n-sho quick release front license plate brackets, well, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Now what I really like about the brackets that are designed to work with the Hawse style and roller style Fairlead are just how quick and easy they make adding a front license plate to virtually any aftermarket bumper that you're going to install on your Wrangler or your Gladiator. That's equipped with provisions for a winch and a Fairlead, of course. So that means if your local laws require the use of a matching front plate, or maybe you're simply looking for a great way to attach a vanity plate, well, you can do so without any cutting, drilling, or modifications to your front bumper. Now I have the roller style Fairlead bracket here with me as well that features just a slightly different shape on the mounting side of the bracket to accommodate a roller style Fairlead. Of course, the Hawse style Fairlead is a slightly smaller shape designed to fit neatly right behind a smaller Hawse style Fairlead. Now no matter which bracket you need to go with, well, sto-n-sho manufactures them right here in the USA from 5052 and 6061 aluminum. That's then anodized with a black finish to not only keep it looking great, but keep it protected from any chance of corrosion. And of course, that aluminum construction means you can rest easy knowing that your license plate bracket is going to last for many, many years to come. Now, it features a two-piece construction. Of course, we have one part of the bracket that is designed to mount to the license plate. And then, of course, the second piece here, which features the quick release mechanism, is designed to mount behind our Fairlead. Now, to get it installed, you probably won't even have to completely remove your Fairlead from your front bumper. In fact, here I was able to simply spool out a little bit of winch line and then go ahead and loosen the two bolts holding my Fairlead in place just enough so that I could slip the new bracket in between the Fairlead and the front bumper and then simply retighten those two bolts and finally, well, spool back in that small amount of winch line that I had to release just to give me some room to work. That's really all it takes to get that quick release bracket installed on your front bumper. Now to insert the license plate portion of the sto-n-sho bracket into the quick release mount, we've got a spring-loaded pull tab pin here right on the side of the mount. Simply pull out, insert the two legs into the quick release mount. Once it's installed, you can let go of that pin, push it in until you hear that spring-loaded pin click into the notch that's cut out of one of those legs, and your license plate is securely stored right in that quick release mount. When it's time to remove it, well, it's just as easy as pulling that pin again and sliding your plate right back out of that mount. Now that's great because it means if you're headed out for a day at a Cars and Coffee or Jeeps and Java event, well, you can clean up the front look of your Jeep and remove that front plate. It's also great to remove your plate when you're headed out for a day off-road. You don't have to worry about bashing up your license plate on any rocks or obstacles. Now, sto-n-sho also has another accessory, a GoPro Mount that slides right in just like the license plate does here. It is available separately, and it gives you the perfect camera angle to capture that fun time you're having when you're out on the trails. Of course, when you're finished your day off-road, you can pull that GoPro Mount back out and simply slide your license plate right back into place so that when you hit the pavement, well, you're going to stay street legal. Now, if you guys want to get any more information or to purchase a sto-n-sho front license plate quick release bracket for your Jeep, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about any of the brackets offered from sto-n-sho or even the GoPro Mount, you can always leave those for me down in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. Until next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.